Want a prenup but don't want to spend $10,000 on lawyers who hate each other? Well, I've got some good news for you. Click the link in the description below to get your special discount on HelloPrenup, and let me show you exactly how this game-changing platform works. So, here's the deal. Traditional prenups are basically relationship torture. You hire separate lawyers who treat you like you're already getting divorced, spend months going back and forth, and drop anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000. Fun times, right? HelloPrenup flips this whole mess on its head. For just $599 total, you and your partner work together from your couch to create a legally binding prenup that's specific to your state. No awkward lawyer meetings, no adversarial nonsense. Here's exactly how it works. First, you both log in and complete this super detailed questionnaire together. Think of it like a really important relationship quiz that covers everything from assets and debts to future goals. The platform walks you through each section with explanations so you actually understand what you're agreeing to. Next, their AI technology instantly generates your personalized prenup based on your state's laws. You can download it the same day, or take your time reviewing it together. And if you want a lawyer to look it over, they've got a network of attorneys who'll do it at discounted rates. The whole process takes hours, not months. Plus, instead of creating conflict, it actually brings couples closer together by having these important conversations in a structured, supportive way. So if you're ready to protect your future without the drama and expense, click that link in the description below for your exclusive discount. Trust me, your relationship and your wallet will thank you.